So you want to know how to make 6 figures in 3 months. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how. Stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around. My name is Chris Thomas, and I'm the founder here at Freqnt. My role here at the company, sales and marketing. Every day, what can I do to make sure our message is in front of the right people so that our people can contact them and make sales? You probably stumbled on this opportunity via LinkedIn, Indeed, Craigslist, or roaming around the internet. Or our team might have reached out to you via text or an email. Before I jump into the whole direct sales opportunity and how to make 6 figures in 3 months and all that great stuff, let me tell you a little background about the direct sales industry and the problems it faces and the solution that we have here at Freqnt to equip you with success so that you don't have to face those same problems. The biggest problem in the direct sales industry, it's about the company, not you. It's about their profit over their people, to continuously make sure their shareholders get a return on their investment. Number 2, you have to do all the work. You have to go scrape and find all your leads. You have to find your target market. Then you have to go find distributors, reaching out to all your family, contacting people on your Facebook, becoming that person on Facebook that talks about your company so much. And last, products. Having the inventory. The hundreds to thousands of dollars of cost to join a company are ridiculous, okay? With the assumption that you're going to sell these products. So how does Freqnt differentiate from the modern direct sales companies? Number 1, it's about you, our people, our team. The more that we give you the resources and tools that you need to succeed, I think we'll be around for a while. You receive inbound leads daily, thousands of other leads, and an Autodialer, so you can expedite your success and start making sales today. Plus, we distribute team members to you every single day, where you're making a 5% residual off of their activity. Plus, you get 10% for anybody that you can directly recruit here at the company every single month. Lastly, there is no inventory here at Freqnt. It doesn't cost you hundreds to thousands of dollars a month to join Freqnt. It's $17.97 a month, and we give you all these tools. These tools is our company is 100% internet based. There is no product to purchase. There is nothing to download, nothing to upload. It is 100% software and internet based. Talk about a solution and talk about success. So let's jump into why you actually viewed this video. How to make 6 figures in 3 months. Follow me on my computer. So we're here on my computer, and you're excited to learn how can I make 6 figures in 3 months. Well, let me tell you, I'm just as excited as you. So let's dive right into it and show you exactly what a 6-figure business looks like. Inbound leads, daily inbound lead distribution to you as a team member. Every day there's inbound leads of team members in addition to customers. So we're doing marketing to put leads in front of you to contact to close. The way to expedite that process is an Autodialer. An Autodialer helps you contact customers quickly instead of you manually dialing each contact, so you can get sales rapidly and start getting paid daily. Okay, those are found in our new contacts within our Autodialer system. Okay, and you would contact those customers every single day. Those are the first customers you would contact. Then we have thousands of other leads that can be found in our Autodialer system as well, to help you even increase your income just that much more. Thousands of leads with the name, the phone number, and the email address as you see here. Okay, and it shows you, and we show you a script and everything you need to succeed here at Freqnt. Now I'm going to dive into the actual compensation and what it takes to make six figures. I'm going to talk about you personally, and then I'm going to talk about your partners. Let me say that one more time. How you can start the process to the six-figure, and then how you can complete it by having a team. Number one, we have the surge for 2 for 22. So that's 2 trials for 22 days. Okay, let me see that again. It's the surge for 22. It's 2 trials for 22 days. We have the free trial option and then the paid trial option for the customer to sign up. The paid trial option pays you. You get $25 per paid trial, plus you get a $50 bonus every 3rd and 6th trial on top of the paid trial. And then the 8th trial is paid $100 bonus, $125 bonus once you sign that 8th paid customer. Trials are paid daily. Paid trials are paid daily. Every day we pay. Okay? Free trials, you can dish out free trials as well for the 2 for 22 days, which you'll end up with 44 trials. We close 60% of our trials. 60% of customers that start off with us for 9 days set up for a monthly recurring plan. Our average monthly recurring plan is $245. That's what our reps sell now. It's the $245 monthly recurring plan. You get 100% of that, plus the initial month, you make 100% commission off of the $245. How great does that sound? So we closed 60% of the 44. We got the number of 26 customers, monthly recurring customers. We made the first month commission of $6,370. That's $6,370 in the matter of 22 days. You made $289 a day. $289.54 a day. Okay? You make the first month commission, plus you get the monthly residual of 25%. 25% on the gross revenues you bring into the company. That's $1,500 a month coming into your account, lifetime residual that you make with Freqnt. Every single month, $1,592. All the work you've done the previous 22 days, you're going to get that benefit every single month of $1,500. Okay? So how is the six-figure income earner developed here at Freqnt? As you know, we're a direct sales company, okay? There's 3 tiers in our company. There's not 15 legs and this leg has to be longer than this leg. It is the most simple, straightforward process because I feel that if you're transparent with people, people will do the work, okay? So you receive 25% residuals every single month. You also get 10% residuals for anybody that you directly recruit. Anybody that you send the link and they refer you and they put your name as their contact and their point of contact. So anything that they do monthly in gross revenues, you get 10%. And that's what we can control. We can control anybody that we directly recruit, but we can't control how many people they recruit, right? You see that red box there on the 3rd tier? Those are the people that we send you every single day. We're sending you team members to get you paid off of them. All you have to do is onboard them. Once you get the process, we're going to be sending you people every single day so that you're making an additional income. Anybody that your direct recruits recruit, you're going to get 5% off of them as well. Absolutely, it's sensational. Just how you see this website here. This is the same website that you would share with people, but it has your own personal branded name attached to it. Okay? So let's dive into the nitty-gritty, how a six-figure business actually looks like. For 22 days, this is what we're going to focus on. This is for your partners. Okay? How you attract talent. For 22 days, you recruit 11 people a day. Every single day, you're sending out your link. You're signing people up. Hey, say, let's get started with this company. We're going to see great things. You signed 242 partners in the matter of 22 days. You've impacted 242 lives. Incredible. Let's be honest. Are all the people going to do the work? No, absolutely not. They say industry standard is like 12% or something like that. Ours is about a 5%, what we've seen. 5% of people will actually do the work, okay? It ends up being 11 people. So those 11 people that we're focusing on, that we're hyper-focusing on, that's doing the work every single day, they now do the 2 for 22. And this is what that will look like. 11 people do the 2 for 22 days, the 2 trials for 22 days. That's 484 trials. That accounts to 290 accounts. That equates to $71,000 in monthly recurring revenue that you and your team have brought into the company. And then you get a 10% residual off of that. Your monthly residual every single month is $7,105 from your partners that you've directly recruited, plus your personal residual is $1,592. So let's do some quick math together. You've impacted 11 people that are making $1,500 a month. You've helped 242 people with an opportunity that they've never seen before. You've directly impacted 242 lives in the matter of 22 days. You've brought in $77,420 into the company. You're rewarded $8,697 in monthly residuals. Most of you would say this is impossible. Let me tell you, there are team members that are doing it right now. And it took them longer to do it because we didn't have the system down. Now we have the system down with inbound leads, team member distribution, okay? Thousands of other leads that you can contact. So how do you start from day one right now? You are viewing this webinar. If you do 2 trials a day and you recruit 11 partners a day for 22 days, you're simultaneously working both systems of success. You might as well do both. You're doing 2 trials a day. So you bang out your calls first thing in the morning. You got your customers who signed up for the trial. Then you're contacting 11 people. You're at a Starbucks. You're at a gym. You're walking down the street. Your social media, your LinkedIn, your profiles. You're reaching out to people saying, hey, I have this company. It costs less than $20 a month to sign up. And they have all the stuff that you're benefiting from right now. They can benefit from. It's actually a disservice not to offer your product to someone. Okay? Because people want an opportunity out there. Okay? If you do 2 trials a day and you recruit 11 partners to the company a day for 22 days, you will make $8,697 in monthly residuals in 22 days. Okay? 22 days of work, 90 days post, all those people doing the work, $8,697 a monthly residual, month 4. Okay? Coming into your bank account. So how do you get started? It's $1,797 a month. We provide you with leads, inbound leads, daily compensation. You get paid every single day. You do not have to wait till Friday, Thursday, whatever day. Every day you get paid. Sunday through Sunday you get paid. 24/7 customer support to make sure that you're succeeding in your role. Team member distribution. We're sending you people every day that you can make money off of work that you didn't even do. We've done the work for you, and you have the recruiting tools to do this work. 24/7 customer support and unrelentless training. Every day there are webinars about Freqnt. Every day there's calls you can jump on for that additional support that you might need and motivation that you might need. Every day there's tools for you to succeed here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to sharing your journey to 6 figures.